The 2009 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, CD player, electronic stability control, bucket seats, overhead console. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.